Don Luke Electronics. The Alpha Geek, geeking out. If you go to bed at night without learning something new that day, your day is not complete. Luke Paquin, 1973. Project number 20, CircuitPython, Metro M0 Express Blink, Mk01. Metro is our series of microcontroller boards for use with the Arduino IDE. This new Metro M0 Express board looks a whole lot like our original Metro 328, but with a huge upgrade. Instead of the 8K328, this Metro features the ATSM21G18 chip, an ARM Cortex M0 Plus. It's our first Metro that is designed for use with CircuitPython. CircuitPython is our beginner-oriented flavor of MicroPython, and as the name hints at, it's a small but full-featured version of the popular Python programming language specifically for use with circuitry and electronics. Not only can you use CircuitPython, but the Metro M0 is also usable in the Arduino IDE. At the Metro M0's heart is an ATSM21G18 ARM Cortex M0 processor, clocked at 48 MHz and at 3.3V logic, the same one used in the new Arduino Zero. This chip has a whopping 256K of flash and 32K of RAM. This chip comes with built-in USB, so it has USB to serial program and debug capability built in with no need for an FTDI-like chip. Power the Metro with 7-9V polarity protected DC or the micro USB connector to any 5V USB source. The 2.1mm DC jack has an on/off switch next to it so you can turn off your setup easily. The Metro will automatically switch between USB and DC. Metro has 25 GPIO pins, 12 of which are analog in, and 1 of which is a true analog out. There's a hardware SPI port, hardware I2C port and hardware UART. Logic level is 3.3V. Native USB, there's no need for a hardware USB to serial converter as the Metro M0 has built-in USB support. When used to act like a serial device, the USB interface can be used by any computer to listen/send data to the Metro, and can also be used to launch and update code via the bootloader. It can also act like a keyboard, mouse, or MIDI device as well. 4 indicator LEDs and 1 NeoPixel, on the front edge of the PCB, for easy debugging. 1 green power LED, 2 RX/TX LEDs for data being sent over USB, and a red LED connected. Next to the reset button there is an RGB NeoPixel that can be used for any purpose. -2 MB SPI flash storage chip is included on board. You can use the SPI flash storage like a very tiny hard drive. When used in CircuitPython, the 2 MB flash acts as storage for all your scripts, libraries, and files. When used in Arduino, you can read/write files to it, like a little data logger or SD card, and then with our helper program, access the files over USB. Easy reprogramming, comes preloaded with a UF2 bootloader, which looks like a USB storage key. Simply drag firmware onto program, no special tools or drivers needed. It can be used to load up CircuitPython, PXT/make code or Arduino IDE. It is BOSA compatible.
Arduino Uno is perfect for computer, and this chip is good, but before perfect, but now here Metro Express is chip 5 bits here. This chip is better and stronger. This same the Arduino here, but better and stronger. This chip for Python, so USB serial, so this good and simple. And this here, the blink. So this blink and back and forth. So it's good. This the Arduino Uno chip, the here is perfect, but it's so good, but here this chip here, ARM Cortex 2, flash here and here. So this is good and 4-bit and good. This the CircuitPython here and blink. So here simple, and this green LEDs here go to is perfect here. So the program here, import for module, red LEDs here, and blink. So this LED's good. Seconds and sleep seconds. So this here, this is 1, and this here perfect. Bye bye.
Don Luke Electronics. https://www.jlpconsultants.com/luc. JLP Consultants. Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram.